Facts. Number 5. Cat weird sounds. Why do cats make weird sounds? Ever wonder what your cat's really trying to say? That's cat to human talk. Hungry, bored, or just being dramatic. Purring sounds sweet, right? But it's also how they calm themselves, like a fuzzy stress ball. A hiss means back off. Growling, you've got a mini lion ready to fight. Chirps and trills, that's mean follow me, like they think you're their kitten. Yowling at 3 a.m.? Lonely, annoyed, or plotting cat world domination. What sound does your cat make? Your cat's a talker too? Comment the weirdest sound they've made. Follow for more.